What's good, Social Cam? Just hitting you up here, finishing to clean off my pastor's roof for this evening, and just tired. Having a little rooftop worship moment, listen to my little music, my playlist, different great artists on it. Just wanted to just encourage people's hearts to make sure they attend church tomorrow. Just when you think it's over, or you think you shouldn't have to go to church, or think that you shouldn't continue to serve God like you've been doing, just want to let you know to keep doing it, because God does seize it. It's all about perseverance. It's all about consistency. It's all about faithfulness. Be faithful over a few things. I truly believe that God will give you, make you faithful over much. The Bible says that if you be found faithful over another man's things or possessions, then He'll give you that which is your own. So make sure you continue to be faithful to your church, to your ministry, faithful to your families, to your jobs, whatever it may be. Just continue to always be faithful and consistent in everything that you do. Representing FAMU today, like always. That's my school, the only school, #1 school in my university. But yeah, I love everybody. I'll talk to you all later. Yeah, rooftop. James Mays almost set me up with a couple songs, and Shayna Wilson. There's certain songs you don't want to listen to if you know you don't want to go into worship. Some artists are just going to sing you to worship. Some artists are going to sing you to the club. Some artists are sing you to sleep. So just know what you want to do when you put on music. So y'all have a blessed day, blessed night, and see you all at church tomorrow. If you have nowhere to go, come out to Life Changers tomorrow at 11 a.m. for Power Pack service, 601 Miccosukee Road. If you don't know where that is, or you don't have GPS on your phone or iPad or your car, just hit me up on Twitter. Justonio, JUSTTONIO. Give you direction, or Facebook, Tonio Witherspoon, or Social Cam, shoot me a video, or Instagram. I'll be on there, Justonio again, Justonio. So yeah, love you everybody. See you all tomorrow. Peace.